Today we are doing some numericals of solid state chapter. The first numerical is compound is formed by elements A and B. And A atoms, they are at the corners and B are at the face centers in this unit cell of a compound. Derive the formula of the compound. Now A atoms are at corners and B atoms are at the face centers. If we'll take the ratio of these A and B atoms, we will get the formula of the compound. So first we'll solve. There are 8 particles at the corners of unit cell we know. So one A atom at corner contributes how much for one unit cell? Contributes is equal to 1 by A to 1 unit cell. And how many particles are at corners? There are 8 particles. So 8 A atoms at corner contributes how much? 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1. Therefore, A atoms in this unit cell, they are equal to 1. Now we are coming to the B atoms. One B atom at face center contributes how much? 1 by 2. And how many face centers are there? 6. So 6 B atoms at face center contributes how much? That is equal to 3. Therefore, how many B atoms are there in this compound in one unit cell? There are 3 B atoms. So 1 A atom is here and 1 B atom is there. Ratio of A and B atoms in one unit cell we have calculated. So ratio of these in one unit cell will give us the formula of the compound. That is, formula of compound is A, how many atoms? 1 in one unit cell, and how many B? 3 in one unit cell. So number of atoms of A and B in one unit cell will give us the formula. Next numerical. An ionic compound is made up of atoms, A atoms, and B has a FCC arrangement. It is made up of atoms A and B and it has FCC arrangement. A atoms are at the corners. A atoms are present at the corners. This I am writing. A are present at corners and atoms B are present at face center. They are present at face center. But see now the next line. If one of the atoms is missing from the corner, from corner one atom is missing. There are 8 corners. So 8 particles are at corners but one is missing. That means we have A particles present only at 7 corners. What is the simplest formula of the compound? Like the previous numerical, again we find out the ratio of A and B atoms in one unit cell. That ratio will give us the simplest formula of the compound. So 1 A atom at corner contributes how much? 1 by 8. And 7 A atoms at corner contributes 1 by 8 into 7, 7 by 8. Why 7 A atoms we have written? You can mention here because 1 A atom is missing from the corner. So only 7 are left. This is the number of A atoms. Now come to the B atoms. 1 B atom at face center contributes how much? 1 by 2. And how many face centers are there? 6. So 6 B atoms at face center contributes 1 by 2 into 6, that is equal to 3. So how many B atoms we have? 3 in number. Ratio of A to B in a unit cell, that is 7 by 8 is to 3. So what we'll get here, the formula will become, after changing this to the whole number, we will get the formula. So by multiplying it by the 8, when we multiply it by 8, this becomes 7 and this becomes 24. So the formula is A7B24. This is the formula of the compound. Now, next question. These numericals are now based on the formulas of the size of the octahedral and tetrahedral voids and the size of the particles in a closed pack arrangement. Small r, we use it for the size of the voids, and capital R is for the particles in the closed pack arrangement. For octahedral voids, this is the formula, and for tetrahedral voids, we have this formula. See the question now. A solid AB has NaCl structure. Now, for this we should know that NaCl structure is which kind of structure. In this, Cl minus particles are present in closed pack arrangement. So when we have closed pack arrangement, there will be octahedral voids and there will be tetrahedral voids. But Na plus are occupying all octahedral voids. Tetrahedral will remain empty in this NaCl structure. So to solve this question, we should know first of all this thing, that NaCl structure they are mentioning. So NaCl has which kind of structure? This type of structure where Cl minus are in the closed pack arrangement and Na plus they are present at all octahedral voids. If the radius of cation is A plus, radius of this cations are present in the voids. So can I write this as small r? Because for voids we use a small r. Cation size is how much? 100 picometer. What is the radius of the anion? Anion is present in closed pack arrangement, so we use capital R for it. What is the radius of this? Since it has NaCl structure, so we use the formula of R equal to 0.414 capital R, that is for the octahedral void. This formula we will use. This size we know is 100 picometer and this one we have to calculate. So 100 will divide by 0.414. After solving, we will get the size of the anion which are present in the closed pack arrangement. Now, in this we have used the formula for the octahedral voids. Why we have used the formula for octahedral voids? Because actually this has NaCl structure, and in NaCl structure the Na plus ions are present in octahedral voids, and tetrahedral voids they will remain empty in this compound. Now next question after this. This question is based on how many particles are in the closed pack arrangement. Like suppose n particles are in the closed pack arrangement. So if particles are n in closed pack arrangement, how many of the octahedral voids will be available in this structure? Equal to the number of particles in closed pack arrangement. And tetrahedral void number is always double than the number of the particles in closed pack arrangement or the number of octahedral voids. So based on this numerical, a compound is formed by two elements. There are two elements X and Y. Atoms of element Y, which are present as anions, they make CCP arrangement. So atoms of element Y are in the closed pack arrangement. This closed pack arrangement is occupied by the Y elements which are present as anions. And those of element X, which are cations, they are present in all octahedral voids. What is the formula of the compound? Now here also, by taking the ratio of the number of atoms in closed pack arrangement and octahedral voids, we will get the formula of the compound. Now we have to suppose here how many atoms are there in the closed pack arrangement. Suppose number of atoms, which atoms are in the close pack arrangement? Y. In CCP arrangement are how many in number? Let's say n in number. Therefore, how many available octahedral voids will be there in the structure? Equal to n only. Remember, these are available in the structure. There's no need to mention tetrahedral here because no particle is present in the tetrahedral voids. But it's not necessary that in the structure all the voids which are there will be occupied. Available are n in number. And of course here they have mentioned all these are occupied also, and occupied also are, all are occupied, so n are occupied. Sometimes in the question it will be mentioned that 1/3 of these are occupied or 2/3 are occupied, like this. So it's not necessary all available octahedral voids will be occupied. In this case all are occupied. So we have n number of particles in the CCP arrangement and n number are present in the octahedral voids. Which particles are in octahedral voids? These are X particles, which are anions. Ratio of X to Y. This is also n, this is also n, that means 1:1. So what is the formula of the compound? The formula of the compound is XY. Formula of compound is XY. So these are some of the numericals of